Welcome, yogis. Today we're going to do a camel flow. We're going to start warming up by sitting in Sukhasana or a cross-legged position. You'll notice I'm on blocks. I'm nursing a knee injury. Feel free to sit on blocks as well. Or if you're perfectly comfortable, just sit on the floor. We're going to start with some seated cat-cow. So take the arms behind, inhaling, opening the chest. Exhale, bring them forward. Inhaling, open up. Exhaling, forward. 3 more of these. Inhaling, open. Exhaling. Inhaling, open. Exhaling, pull the belly button in. 1 more. Exhaling. Come back to a neutral spine. Let's just do some shoulder rolls here. Up to the ears, down the back. 2 more. Up, down the back. Up. Last one. Up, down the back. Let's come forward. Rolling up. And forward, up, and forward. Last one, gently, exhaling down. If you're on blocks, gently get off those. You will need them later. Blocks, a blanket, and perhaps a strap. Come to a tabletop position. Extend the left leg. And the right arm, palm facing in. Inhale here, exhale, elbow to knee. 3 more. Keep the hips level. Last one, hold out. And come on down. Extend the right leg. Left arm, palm in. Inhale here. Exhale, elbow to knee. 3 more. Pull in the belly below the belly button. Last one. Hold out. And down. Go ahead and tuck the toes. Come to the top of your mat. Let me start with a half Sun Salutation. Inhaling up. Exhale, fold over. Root into the feet. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Root down all the way up. Inhaling, look through the hands. Exhale, hands to heart center. Again, inhaling up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, fingertips to shins. Pull in the abs, strong shape. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees. Step the right foot back. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, stepping back to down dog. In down dog, go ahead and walk your feet out a little bit. Press the balls of the feet into the mat. And pretend you're going to spread the mat with your feet. Really activate the legs. 1 more breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, forward. Crescent lunge on the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, hands to the mat, stepping back into down dog. 2 more breaths here. Take the right hand to the left ankle. Look under. The hand can also go to the left shin. Back to center, take a breath. Left hand to left ankle or shin. Back to center, take a breath. Inhale, bend the knees, walk forward to your hands or hop, whichever you like, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees. Step the leg back. Inhale. Crescent lunge. Exhale. Into plank. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Drop the knees. Coming down to the mat. Inhale, lifting the chest. Exhale to the mat. Tuck the toes. Coming back into down dog. Couple of breaths here. Inhale, exhale, bring your left foot forward, coming into crescent. Inhale, exhale, hands to the mat. Pull in the belly. Inhale here in plank. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, knees to the mat, coming down. Hands, palms down by the side of the body. Inhale up. Hands off the mat. Exhale down. Couple of breaths here. Again, inhale up. Arms off the mat, neck long. Add the feet if it's available. Inhale. Exhale down. Hands come to chest level, tuck the toes, back into down dog. Here, bend the left knee, pivot on the ball of the right foot, and look under the right arm. Back to center, take a breath. Bend the right knee, pivot on the left foot, look under the left arm. Inhale back to center. Really push into the hands here. Bring the knees to the mat. Bring the right leg forward. But bring that leg in more than a traditional lunge. Sometimes we're forward like this. That's not what I'm doing right now. We're going to bring that foot in. A nice strong 90-degree angle here. Let the pelvis be neutral. Knit the front ribs in. Bring the front heel, activate it towards the center, and the back leg coming towards each other like scissors. Add the arms. Inhale. Exhale, hands back to heart center. Take the hands, clasp them at the seat, open up the chest. One more breath here. Hands to the mat. Let's just switch legs here. Bring the left leg forward. Again, this is a modified Anjasana. You can have the toe tucked or you can put the foot down. See what feels better for you. I think I'll tuck the toe. So again, same tips. Keep the pelvis neutral. Knit the ribs in. Strong core here. Go ahead and raise the arms, looking up. One more breath here. Inhale, exhale, hands to heart center. Clasp the hands at the seat. Roll the shoulders back, open the chest. Couple breaths here. Exhale the hands to the mat. Come on back to down dog. Couple of breaths here. Coming forward into plank. Push into the mat. Really pull in the abs. Arms are like strong columns here. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale here. Knees to the mat. Coming down. Slide the arms forward. Come into Sphinx pose. Inhale. Tuck the toes. Exhale. Forearm plank. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Knees down. Head down. One breath here. Inhale into Sphinx. Dragging those elbows back. Tuck the toes. Exhale, forearm plank. Knees down. Tops of the feet down. Head down. Inhale, Sphinx. Exhale, forearm plank. Really pulling the belly below the belly button. Press into the forearms. Inhale. Exhale, knees down. Head down. Inhale. Slide the arms to chest level. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Step the right leg forward, coming into a low lunge. If you have a strap, now's a good time to use it. I'll show you this side with the strap. I'll show you this side without the strap, and then we'll do the strap on the other side. So you're here. Take the arm and bring it back and catch that foot. It's a quad stretch. Keep this front leg at a 90-degree angle and breathe. Go with that. Hands to the mat. Let's just switch sides. Reach back. Now this is my injured side, so I will use a strap on this side and show you how you do that. Make a loop, get it on the bottom of the foot. That other foot forward. Cross it. And there you are, quad stretch. So I have control with this strap of how far I want to pull that. But if you can also go ahead and add the arm, so you're getting that opening up here. I can't quite reach it comfortably, so I'm listening to my body, and I'm not pushing it. Let that go gently, especially if you have the strap. Take that off. Hands to the mat. Back to down dog. Inhale, bend the knees, hop or step to the front feet. Forward fold. Inhale, come on into chair pose. And then stand up. Sit back down. We're going to come forward, up on the toes, and exhale down. Up on the toes. Woo! Takes a lot of balance. Exhale down. One more time. Up. And down. Bring your hands to heart center. Find a slightly smaller chair. Push into the feet. Come on up. Come on to the center of the mat. And we're going to do what I call strong dancer. So it looks like this. We're not going to be clasping the hand as in traditional dancer, but get the 3 points off your feet, each foot strong. So below the big toe, below the pinky toe, middle of the heel. Equally distribute the weight. I'm going to take my hands in prayer. Shift the weight to the right foot. Take the left forward. Pull in the belly below the belly button. Take that foot back. Keep a flex on it. Now tilt the pelvis, not the pelvis, the torso forward. 2 breaths here. Actively using all the muscles of the hip. Come on back through. Foot down. Let's do the other side. Get the weight equally distributed. Shift to the left. Take the right foot. Come on forward. You may find one side more challenging than the other. That's fine. I am. Couple of breaths here. Coming all the way back through. Woo, a little wobbly there. That's all right. And back. Beautiful. I'm going to come to the mat and we're going to do bridge pose. Now also, I want to let you know, if you don't like camel or it's not feeling good in your body, then you can just do another bridge pose. Or you can do the modified camel, which I'm going to show you. And modified is not a bad thing. You should do the version of the pose that feels good to you on a certain day. So, more about that in a minute. Legs bent, feet on the floor, recline back. Take a breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, push into the bottoms of the feet, clasp the hands below the seat, and come up into bridge. You can engage the glutes here, push into the feet, and breathe. One more breath here. As you exhale, take the hands away, lower the back vertebrae by vertebrae. There you go. Now, I want to talk to you about camel. I would say the breath is always important in yoga, so it's important here too. But the most important thing with camel, for me, is symmetry, because you don't want to injure your lower back. So watch me first. You can always stop the tape and do it again. If you have tricky knees, you might like a blanket underneath there. That's fine. Blocks may come in handy because it just raises the floor, makes it more accessible. But I'm going to show you my first version. So you're here. Strong legs, parallel legs, very strong. Pushing into the floor. Let's have a neutral pelvis. Roll the shoulders back, fingertips to the thighs. Now, from this position, take the hands behind you, clasp them, open the chest, any amount that feels comfortable, and look up. I'm looking where the wall and the ceiling meet, and breathe into that heart space. Just 2 or 3 breaths, and then come back. That's camel. Perfectly good camel. Next version of camel. Same start. Inhaling. Exhaling. Exhaling, coming back, finding blocks. Once my hands are on the blocks, opening up the chest, keeping the head in line with the neck, no draping the neck back. Couple of breaths. When I'm going to come up in a symmetrical fashion. Inhaling, exhaling, and up. Now, if you have good or better range, and you feel comfortable, and you want to try it without the blocks, that's fine. Totally up to you. So here we are. Same beginning. Inhale. Exhale, coming back. One piece. Reaching the heels. Opening up. Then if it's available, maybe I put my legs down, my tops of my feet down, and breathe. Inhaling, exhaling, coming up with control, pressing down into the floor. And that's Camel. You choose whatever variation you feel is good for your body today, or none. If you prefer to do bridge, then that's what you need to do. For now though, sit back in a simple child's pose, take a couple breaths. I have knee issues, so I'm going to be sitting on this block so I don't have as much pressure on my knee. Come on out of that. Take a seat, legs forward, just for a moment. Staff pose. Nice, tall torso. Flex on the feet, activating the legs, shoulders away from the ears. Breathe. Great. Now, come on down to your back, soles of the feet to the mat. Move the blocks out of the way. Lift the hips. Now it seems like we're going to do bridge, but we're not. Set the hips down slightly to the right. Let those legs fold to the left. Just a double twist here. You can look up to the ceiling, or you can take your gaze over your right hand. Legs come back to center. Arms can stay exactly how they are. Lift the hips, put them down slightly to the left. Let the legs fold to the right. Gaze can be over the left arm or at the ceiling. You decide how your neck feels. And breathe. Breathing in and out through the nose. Bring the legs back up to center. Here, windshield wiper the legs very gently, breathing into the hips. Coming back to center for just a moment. I've got my knees propped up against each other. You can do that, or you can have them parallel. This is just a nice way to rest. So the last thing we're going to do is supported bridge. We've done bridge before, but this will be a more restorative version. Soles of the feet to the mat, knees bent, come on back. Once you're down, take a pillow or a block and put it in a place that feels comfortable for you. Open the arms up, palms up, and take some breaths. Make sure you've gotten this comfortable. It's going to be different for each person. Last breath here. Inhaling and exhaling. No rush. Lift the hips. Take that support out. Roll to a side. Take a breath. Coming up. So now would be a great time to do legs at the wall, or just a regular Shavasana where you lay out and take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, longer if you have that available in your schedule, and let your body rest. Maybe put on some relaxing music, or just have quiet. Shavasana is when the body integrates the work that you've done and when your mind can rest. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed trying Camel. Remember, the version you do of it is totally up to you. Bridge is a great substitute and not a lesser substitute. So as always, make yoga your yoga. Make the practice your own. I'll see you on the mat. Thanks for joining me. Have a good day.